Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upload image as background in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to upload image as background in Canva. When you are in your project, just click uploads. After that, click upload files to download the image. I don't have the image, then I can search the image in Canva. Just click elements, and then in the search bar just type what you are looking for. For example, forest, and then photos. Okay, for example this one, and then click the three dots. After that, click set image as background. And if you click the image, other thing you can do here for the transparency, you can adjust it, increase it or decrease it. And if you want to add another image, for example here in the element I type tiger, and this one click BG remover, and this one can move it here. Other thing, if you want to add something, for example bird, graphics, okay, for example this one, decrease the size, move it here. Yeah, it's done. After that, when you are happy with the background and the image, just click share. After that, download and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to upload image as background in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.